Hey guys, in this video, I will show you where to find Grok Unhinged Mode. All right, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Grok and press enter. From the results, click on the official Grok website to access the platform. Once the site loads, look for the project feature within the interface. This is where you can customize how Grok behaves. Click on it and create a new project to begin. Next, give your project a name and locate the tone settings. Here, you can define how Grok responds. Set the tone to unhinged to make responses more playful and less formal. After saving your project, start interacting within it. Grok will follow the tone you selected and adjust its responses accordingly. This allows you to experiment with different styles inside a controlled setup. Alternatively, you can simply type a message like "become unhinged" in the chat box and submit it. Grok will adjust its tone based on your instruction. So that's basically where to find Grok Unhinged Mode. That's it for this video. Thanks.